As you can see, another $4,200 with ClickBank affiliate marketing in the last few days with new account on ClickBank, okay, with specific niche, which is in the self-help space. We also promote hair loss products, which are really great. Why? Because it's all it comes down is understanding buyers' clicks, buyers' intent. Okay, if you have tried ClickBank affiliate marketing or MaxWeb or Digistore and lost money in the past, it's not your fault. Why? Because maybe, just maybe, you have been following the outdated methods that used to work years ago. But in 2026, you have to understand it's all about you promote to curiosity clickers, meaning people who are only curious to see what is your website about, or buyers clicks, because the money in 2026, the money is in the buyers clicks, buyers list. So what you can do is use Facebook ads or even Google pay-per-click ads. Start with $5 to $10 a day, 20 to 30 minutes per day, and you can turn this $100 into 200, 300, even $1,000 days. Yes, it's all doable. It's still possible to do it, but you need to have someone who can help you one-on-one, step by step along the way, so you can have this kind of daily results on ClickBank as a beginner without showing your face.